Hello, my students. I miss you so much I can't even tell you. So sorry you don't see my face. Trust me, you wouldn't want to right now. But let me show you how to use Google Earth. First thing that you're going to do is click here to launch Google Earth. Now it might take it a little while to load. This is my slow computer, but we'll see. You'll get this, click launch, and give it a minute. So what we're going to do is have some fun and go all over the world and see crazy places that you can't see right now. Or you may never see in your life and you're just curious about because the world is a very big place. All right, slow computer, slow computer. It'll get there. Your Chromebook might be slower, but don't give up. All right, so I think the last place I was, this actually is the North Pole, which is weird. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click search. And I'm going to take you to Biloxi, Mississippi. Bet you've never been there before. So this is cool. We're going to zoom out from the North Pole and come to Biloxi, Mississippi. All right, so right now we're kind of far out. So what you can do is just scroll in. I'm going to move down here a little bit and scroll in even more. Oops, wrong way. Scroll in, and you can get in pretty tight here. Yeah, that's too tight. But you can get in tight by doing that. Now, if you click 3D, you can get a 3D view, and you can kind of look around and see what's going on. If you click it, it'll stop. Now, what I'm going to show you is the house I grew up in. Now, notice this water. It's from like the Mississippi Delta water, and this was a beach. The beach was nice. The water's not quite that gross, but it looks kind of gross from here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is grab this peg man, that's what we call him. I'm going to zoom a little bit closer too. My house that I grew up in is right up in here, so I was right here by the beach and the Highway 90. Click the peg man, and you see all these blue lines right there? That means that the little Google Earth car with the camera, the 360 camera, drove on that line. So I'm going to take this peg man and I'm going to put him right about there on that line, and it's going to zoom in. Ah, yeah. Is that my house? Let me see. Oh, I'm next door. Okay. So if you want to move up, you go up a little bit, and maybe one more little bit. And this, as sad as it is the house that I grew up in. It's a song by Miranda something, The House That Built Me. This is the house that built me. Here was my bedroom back in this back corner back here. Sad, huh? So this was blown down during Hurricane Katrina. Thank goodness we didn't own it at the time. But this is my childhood neighborhood. So you can zoom all the way around. It certainly looks different now than when I lived there. But it's kind of all been blown away. But you can see down the beach. That's how close I was. And there we go. Okay. So if I wanted to go back out, just click him again. And then you can zoom out and get a view of all the different things. So let's, let's run over to Iceland. It's Reykjavik, but I don't know how to spell it. Let's see, Iceland. All right. Oh, I'm going to go all the way. Okay, zoom. This is so cool. Quickly, we zoom on over to Iceland. And there you go. All right, let's go. Just for fun, points of interest. Blue Lagoon. Okay, you want to go there? You can type in anything or click the Blue Lagoon. It's point of interest. Okay, Blue Lagoon. And you can click and you can stop it. You can click 3D. Or actually, that was 3D. Zooming in, I don't know how much is. Look at the crazy ground. How much there is to see. It's not very exciting, is it? And then let's see what the peg man shows us. All right, see these little round circles right here? That means you can drop in on that. And somebody with a 3D camera took actual photographs. So it takes you right there. Ooh, that's prettier And it looked like, oh, I see why they call it the Blue Lagoon. Wow, that's something. Out in the middle of nowhere is that beautiful Blue Lagoon. Why is it blue? I have no idea. Obviously some mineral thing going on. But isn't that crazy? So if you ever go to Iceland, you can go to the Blue Lagoon. Yep, and you can go anywhere in the world that you want. Just for fun. Let's come all the way back to Valhalla High School, El Cajon, California. There we go. All right, so all the way from Iceland. Boop. There we go. Love that. So cool. All the way here, 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 and there we are. So we have a 3D view. We can click. You can go to 2D view. Makes it flat. Go back to 3D view. You want to move it around, changes the orientation. And let's take the Pegman and see what we can see. So the closest blue lines are just this road right here. So let's drop him right there. And takes us back to the parking lot. I think my car's actually in here if I went on the road. Anyway, do you miss it? Bless your hearts. There we are. So anyway, have fun with Google Earth. Go everywhere, anywhere. Complete the instructions. Just asks you to pick anywhere on the Earth to go and just kind of do what I did. And then just take a screenshot or two of that. And then I have some really cool places in the world that I just want you to click and go there. I think there's 7 places, and then I ask you only to screenshot 4. So I could spend hours doing this, and I hope that you do too. Productive use of your time. I miss you more than I can tell you. Go outside and play, and be well. Okay? Take care.